am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking XP25 Excel chapter 6 ML1 housing cost instruction. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do your complete course with A+ grade. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all assignments, midterm exam and final exam. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. If you need help in any course, I can do all online courses: MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Statistics, MyLab Economics, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, MyLab Assess, Medical Nursing, Java, C++, and many more online courses. You can simply contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses on MyLab, Pearson, Cengage, Mintap, MCGraw, Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. We will go to our MyLab Pearson and we will go to the Excel chapter 6, and we will download this file XP25 Excel chapter 6 housing cost. We will click on download all button. All file will be downloaded our download folders. We will go to our download folders. In our PC, we will first open our instruction file and click on enable editing button. The title of assignment is that XP25 Excel chapter 6. I am increasing font size for a proper view. Okay, XP25 Excel chapter 6 ML1 housing cost. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now I am increasing font size of instruction file for a proper view in this my video. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP25 Excel chapter 6 ML1 HW housing cost. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson portal. I have also downloaded this my file. You can see I am opening my Excel workbook. Okay, then we will click on enable editing button and then we will start our assignment. The question number 2 is that assign the range names B9 base, B15 interior, and B21 exterior, B23 lot. You can see we will assign the name. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook and then we will copy this base and then we will click on cell B9 and then we will assign name of B9 is base. We will go to the range area and then enter this base. And then we will click on cell B15 and then we will assign this name interior. We will go to our cell B15 and then we will assign this name is interior. B15 is interior name. The next point is that we will go to B21 and then we will assign this name exterior. We will go to cell B21, click on cell B21 and then we will assign this name interior. Then we will go to the next point is B23 and then we will assign this name lot. We will click on cell B23 and then we will assign this name lot. Okay, then press enter. The answer is done now. Now I am going to do question number 3 of this assignment. The question number 3 is that enter a formula in cell B25 to calculate the total estimated cost. The total estimated cost is the sum of the base house price B9, total interior upgrades B15, total exterior grade B21 and the lot fee B23. Be sure to use range name is this formula. Basically in this question we will go to cell B25 and to calculate the total estimated cost. Click on cell B29 and then the cost estimated we will enter a formula. Press is equal to base house price plus total interior upgrade and then plus total exterior upgrades. Simply you can see we will click on cell B21 for a total estimated cost. First we will click on cell B9 Okay, for base house price, which we have also assigned this name on B9 base, and then we will click on cell B15 total interior upgrade. Okay, you can see in the previous question I have assigned this name on cell B15 interior. Now then we will add this exterior B21. I have also assigned this name on B21 to exterior. You can see, then we will press plus, and then we will click on cell B23. Okay, lot, that I have also assigned this name on cell B23 lot. Then we will press enter. It will define total estimated cost. Now I am going to do question number 4. The question number 4 is that use goal seek to determine the total finished square footage to meet the total cost goal of 350,000. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook, and then we will click on cell B25 total cost goals 350,000. Enter goal C. We will go to data tab. In the for cost group, we will click on what if analysis button, and then we will click on goal seek button. Okay, by to value 350,000. Then we will click on square footage to meet the total cost 350,000. We will click on by changing cell is square footage to meet the total square footage. B, one second, B7 is, then we will click on OK. This question is done. Now I have added a goal seek in this question. Now I am going to do question number 5 of this assignment. The question number 5 is that enter a series of total square footage ranging from 1800 to 3600 in the increment of 200 in the range D6 to D15. Apply blue font and comma style with 0 decimal places to the series. Okay, please follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not ever do this assignment, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I will do this complete assignment for you, and I will do this complete course for you with A+ grade. The first point is given as here. Enter a series of total square footage ranging 1800 to 3600 in the increment of 200 in the range D6 to D15. We will select for this range D6 to D15. Okay, this is the first point. We will go to Excel workbook. We will select D6 to D15 range, D6 to D15. Okay, D6 to, okay, we will enter 1800 in D6 first, and then we will increment of this. We will go to the home tab. Okay, we will go to the home tab. First we will click on cell D6, and then we will enter 1800. Then we will go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on fill button, and then we will click on series, and then we will click on column checkbox. Then we will enter stop value is 200, step value and stop value is 3600. Okay, this question is done now. Now I am going to do next question. Next point of this question, apply blue. Okay, apply blue font and comma style with 0 decimal places. Okay, apply blue and comma style with 0 decimal places to the series. We will select this series, and then we will go to the home tab. In the font group, click on font color button, apply blue font color, and then we will go to the and comma style. We will go to the home tab, In the alignment group, in the number group, click on comma straight button with 0 decimal places. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. The next question is question number 6. Enter a reference to the base house price in cell E5 and reference to the total estimated cost in cell F5. Okay, we will enter a reference to the base price in cell E5 and then reference to the total estimated cost in cell F5. We will click on cell E5, we will press is equal to, and then we will enter a reference is base house price. We will click on cell B9, then we will press enter, and then we will click on cell F5 and then we will reference total estimated cost. Click on F5, press is equal to, and then we will click on total estimated cost. Okay, on cell B25, then we will press enter. It will be find these two value. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. The next question of this assignment is that complete the single variable data table in the range D5 to F15. Be sure to use total square footage as the column input. Apply custom number format, display base cost and E5 and total cost in cell F5. Apply these format to the headings, bold, center and blue font color. You can read this question. Complete the single variable data table in the range D5 to F15. Be sure to use square footage in column input. Apply custom number format to display base cost and E5, total cost and cell E5, sorry F5. Now the first point of this question is here. You can see on my PC screen. First we will complete the single variable data table in the range D5 to F15. We will select this range and then we will enter this range in our Excel workbook and then we will complete the single variable data table. Square footage, column input. Enter this range. We will go to the data type. We will go to the data tab. In the for cost group, click on what if analysis button. We will click on data table button and then row input and column input cell. Okay, row input cell is not okay. Column input cells is total square footage B7. Then we will click on OK button. It will be complete total. It will be complete a single variable data table. The next point is that apply custom number format, display base cost in cell E5. We will apply custom number format. We will simply this copy base cost and then we will apply custom number format on our cell E5. We will copy this name base cost. We will go to our Excel workbook, click on cell E5 and then go to the home tab. In the number group, open our number dialog launcher box. We will go to our custom and then we will remove this general, enter inverted commas and then we will type base cost and then close this base cost to inverted commas and then we will click on OK button. Okay, you can see I have applied custom number format. Now I will apply custom number format on this cell F5. Total cost is the custom number and then we will click on cell F5 and then we will apply custom number on cell F5 total cost. Click on cell F5. We will go to the home tab. In the number group, we will open our number dialog box launcher and then we will go to the custom and then go to the general. We will remove this general and then enter inverted commas and then we will type here total cost and then close this total cost to inverted commas and then we'll click on OK button. Both custom format is done now. Now apply these format to the headings, bold, center and blue font color. We will apply bold, center and blue font color. We will click on cell E5 and F5 or we will select this and then we will go to the home tab. In the font group, click on bold button and center and blue font color. We will go to the alignment tab and then apply center button. Go to the font color, then apply blue font color. Okay, this question is so well I have done. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. The next question of this assignment is question number 8. I have done 7 questions right now. Please follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade, and I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. The question number 8 is that identify the square footage, base price and total cost in the data table that comes closest to their goals. Apply yellow fill color to those cells. First point of this question is that identify the square footage, base price, total cost in data table that comes closest to their goals. Apply yellow fill color to those cells. We will identify first these cells and then we will apply yellow color. We will select this and then apply yellow fill color to their cells, those cells. We will go to the home tab and then we will apply yellow fill color in the fill colors. Go to the home tab in the fonts group, click on fill color button, then we will apply yellow fill color. Now you can see I have done 8 questions, total question of 16. Now I am going to submit my file. I will got A plus grade in this assignment. I am 100% sure. I did not show complete assignment in this video. If you need complete solution of this assignment and if you want to do this assignment from me, I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade, and I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment and complete course for you with A plus grade. I did not show complete assignment in this video, but I have done this complete assignment. Okay, now I am going to submit my file, then I will show my grade. We will save our Excel workbook and then we will upload on Pearson portal. Okay, you can see I have done this complete assignment for my student, but I did not show complete assignment in this video. I just show you 8 to 9 steps in this video. If you need complete solution, you can contact me and I will do for you with A plus grade. We will save on desktop. Okay, then I will upload my file on Pearson portal, then I will show my grade. Click on upload file and submit for grading. Go to desktop folder. We will click on open button, click on upload button. Click on continue button and then we will go to our grades. You can see I have got 94.5 out of 100. It's mean I have got A plus grade in this assignment. Please contact me if you need help in this assignment and if you need help in this course. I can do all online courses: my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, PowerPoint, Access, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Please subscribe my channel, likes my video. I will upload complete course on my YouTube channel, but I did not upload complete video because it's my professional business. It's paid. If you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email, I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, all assignments, midterm exam and final exam. Thanks for watching my video. Best of luck to my art student. Thank you so much.